As technology continues to evolve, the idea of merging our brains with machines is no longer a concept confined to science fiction. Neuralink, Musk's brainchild, is striving to unlock new potentials in neuroscience, promising the possibility of a future where human cognition is augmented in unprecedented ways. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into Neuralink's bold plan and explore how it aims to transform not just the way we think but the way we interact with the world. Stay tuned to find out how Neuralink plans to revolutionize the human brain and the future of our species. 1. The birth of Neuralink. Elon Musk's vision for the future. Elon Musk is no stranger to groundbreaking ventures. After changing the landscape of electric vehicles with Tesla and exploring the cosmos with SpaceX, Musk set his sights on the human brain. In 2016, he co-founded Neuralink with the ambition of creating a high-bandwidth, brain-machine interface, BMI, to help people with neurological disorders while also enhancing the human brain to cope with the ever-growing capabilities of artificial intelligence, AI. The idea behind Neuralink is to build a symbiotic relationship between humans and machines. Musk believes that, by integrating AI with the human brain, we can stay ahead of the curve as AI technology rapidly progresses. This can have profound implications, from curing brain diseases to eventually unlocking cognitive abilities beyond what we thought possible. Neuralink is also seen as a potential solution to one of humanity's most pressing problems: the potential for AI to surpass human intelligence. By augmenting our brains, Musk envisions a future where humans could keep up with AI's exponential growth, preventing a scenario where humans are outpaced by machines. But how exactly does Neuralink plan to achieve this? 2. The brain-computer interface. How Neuralink works. Neuralink's core technology is the development of an advanced brain-computer interface, BCI, that allows direct communication between the brain and external devices. This is achieved through the use of tiny, flexible threads that are inserted into the brain. These threads, thinner than a human hair, are designed to read and transmit neural activity with high precision. The process of embedding these threads into the brain is carried out using a specialized robotic surgeon, designed to minimize human error and ensure precision. The robot can implant thousands of these microscopic threads in a matter of hours, allowing Neuralink to create a detailed map of the brain's neural activity. This map can then be used to decode the brain's signals and translate them into meaningful commands, enabling communication with machines. The implications of this technology are immense. For patients with paralysis, for example, Neuralink's device could potentially allow them to control prosthetic limbs or communicate directly with a computer, bypassing the need for physical movement. Additionally, the system could be used to stimulate specific brain regions, potentially helping treat conditions like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and even depression. 3. The potential for medical advancements. Treating neurological disorders. One of the most exciting aspects of Neuralink is its potential to revolutionize the treatment of neurological disorders. Conditions such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and even spinal cord injuries could be managed or potentially cured with the help of brain-machine interfaces. By restoring the brain's ability to communicate with the body, Neuralink hopes to provide solutions for those suffering from these debilitating diseases. For example, in the case of spinal cord injuries, Neuralink's technology could help bypass damaged areas, allowing the brain to communicate directly with the muscles. This could provide patients with the ability to regain control of their limbs and perform basic motor functions, something that was once thought impossible. Additionally, Neuralink aims to offer a new form of treatment for conditions like epilepsy and depression. By using precise brain stimulation, Neuralink could potentially regulate brain activity and alleviate symptoms, offering a non-invasive solution to conditions that are currently difficult to treat. 4. Enhancing human intelligence. The promise of cognitive augmentation. While medical applications are at the forefront of Neuralink's mission, Elon Musk has always envisioned a future where the technology goes beyond just treating disease. One of the long-term goals of Neuralink is to augment human intelligence, allowing us to directly interface with AI and enhance our cognitive abilities. In theory, by linking our brains to AI, we could process information at a much faster rate, recall memories instantly, and even upload knowledge directly into our minds. This could drastically improve our ability to solve complex problems, create innovations, and accelerate scientific discoveries. However, This raises questions about the ethical implications of cognitive enhancement. If brain-machine interfaces become widely available, could this lead to inequalities between those who can afford the technology and those who cannot? Could cognitive augmentation change the way society functions, creating new divisions? These are questions that society will need to address as the technology develops. 5. The roadblocks. Technical challenges Neuralink faces. Despite the ambitious goals, Neuralink faces several technical hurdles on its journey to revolutionize neuroscience. One of the biggest challenges is creating a seamless and safe connection between the brain and technology. The brain is an incredibly delicate organ, and implanting devices into it carries inherent risks. Neuralink has made great strides with its robotic surgeon, but there's still much to be done to ensure the device can function safely over long periods of time. Another challenge is the scalability of the technology. Right now, Neuralink's device is limited to a few select patients in clinical trials, but to achieve widespread adoption, the technology needs to be affordable and accessible. Additionally, there's the issue of integration with existing medical systems and regulatory approval. Neuralink will need to work closely with health organizations and government bodies to ensure its devices are safe for use. Despite these hurdles, Neuralink has made significant progress in its mission. In 2020, the company demonstrated its technology by showcasing a pig with a Neuralink implant, showing how the device could monitor brain activity in real time. In 2021, Neuralink successfully demonstrated the technology in a monkey, showing how the animal could play a video game with its mind. These breakthroughs mark important milestones in the development of the technology. Neuralink's advancements are poised to change the world, but as with any emerging technology, it comes with its own set of challenges and risks. The idea of merging the brain with machines opens up new frontiers in medicine, human enhancement.